The top stories. Manipur Chief Minister urges for conservation of rainwater, groundwater. Committee to be set up to check illegal sale and purchase of land in Manipur. And JAC claims KSA Sumita's body after assurance from Chief Minister to deliver justice. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today said that we all should work collectively at grassroots level to conserve and preserve rainwater and groundwater in the state. He stated this during a meeting with the elected members of the Panchayati Raj institutions at Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Speaking at the function, he announced that the top-performing panchayat on the harvesting of rainwater would be rewarded a cash prize of ₹5 lakh. The concerned officials, pradhans and Jila Parishad members will be honored in a state-level function, he added. Mentioning that rainwater harvesting mission is the brainchild of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Chief Minister said that we must find ways to harvest the rainwater for farming purposes during lean season. He stated that the present government has initiated rainwater harvesting schemes in hill areas such as Tamai, Chandel, Senapati, Ukhrul, Churachandpur, etc. Such schemes have been initiated with an approximate cost of ₹2 crore each by Minor Irrigation Department.
RBI ban has been lifted and the state economy is coming normal. And the transactions of all departments have been started normally and will continue. Land policy in 2014 act to implement port ama adugi mathakta ya maroina register buyers sellers in general register hoba matamda lam ama leire the paisa kaya kanana leirino kamai tawino se masi si se handak matada khoi UP dagi mi halaga sen gi mama sida fari duni hariba adugo maduna lam leira me adu khangdra me aduna khoi maru ina khoi gi security related gi precaution.
Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren today said that the building bylaws has been amended so that the newly constructed building should install a rainwater harvesting system. He appealed to the elected representatives of the Panchayati Raj institutions to keep an eye on the illegal sale and purchase of land property in their respective areas. He stated that a state-level committee would be formed to check the illegal sale and purchase of land in the state. He also urged the elected leaders to restrict the construction of buildings on the paddy lands in the state. The Chief Minister said this during a meeting with the elected members of the Panchayati Raj institutions at Chief Minister's Secretariat today.
Precautionary measures ngasi cabinet na ikhoina yamaro na dhin lawji any lam laiba yonba tawbagi restart tonadri neda amadugi restart gi yangchinaba akhoi committee ma state level gi committee ma thamani madu ngasi ma order thokani adugi state level committee dugi khuthangda Thomas Albon Lamse Lagin Alliance Maming Yonga Suksa when Sukta when Trocana. Moina Sigi, detail Yame Tagalani, a committee to Namadu through Magi means available way of means Torokanda, identify Torokanda, Ayaba Piba, Haidanadugi Potuma.
The family and JAC members today claimed the body of brutally murdered KSA's Ongbi Sumita alias Ningol from the Rims morgue following assurance given by Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren to deliver justice within 3 months' time. Earlier in the day, the Joint Action Committee JAC formed against the brutal killing of 56-year-old KSA Sumita along with her family members submitted a memorandum to the Superintendent of Police Imphal East demanding immediate arrest of all culprits involved in the crime within 48 hours. The police have claimed to have nabbed one of the prime suspects in the crime. Talking to media persons, JAC co-convener I.B. Khumancha said that the Chief Minister has asked the JAC to let him know about any further complaints and issues coming up regarding this case.
Mi halam ni ibasi Muslim oibanina Muslim ga maite gi marta conflict am lakpa ya na koina CM ta kan ta bodagi ador di CM yauna Manipur gi lenga ki lusing bas da ko member nam sam ta hobana phai haina koi phare khangdung edani koina ngarang grab to jor koina pijari ji adu bosi phare ya ma phare adu gum du lakpa ya na CM gi knowledge tham kan CM sang su nuati lamina ba khoi masen da adu yong chang lakpa etu jet masin di khoi cheksum da kar le adu mana promise ha gadra akhoi assurance people I saw it in Mihat Pasing Bukalo, Mihat Pasing fast track for the Tadarga within 3 months. Sida market trial, so in the Maral Pangani, high at the SPDA, CM Aquaman, do the take up necessary action immediately, high Irkanta, Tazabas, understanding Paminaka, Sataminaka, CM Sukumat Tazaba people at the GSC Chaliba, Mayanasu, Mapima Pa Amoina, Tazaba to Peter Banana, I call Massi Lorisi, high Nakoi Lozabani.
Khetri Mayum Ongbi Sumita alias Ningol of Brahmapur Begapati Leka Imphal East was found brutally murdered on 24th of this month. While going to take her own money back, she was found dead under mysterious circumstances at Thiam Konjin under Police Station in Imphal East. Lai Mayum, a movie Devi, wife of L. Indrajit of Brahmapur Thangapat Mapan in Imphal East, to whom she owed a sum of rupees 3 lakh. The couple borrowed about 3 years back, have been arrested by police over the incident. One Mohammad Wahid, son of late Amir Ali of Khetri Bengun Mayalikai, who is stated to be a hired killer in alleged to have murdered her. A public meeting was held at Khetri Bengun Mayalikai today, in which several leaders of Athletic Brother Association, Khetri Iril Mapal Youth Club, United Youth Development Association, Youth Progressive Organization and Khetri Bengun Mayalikai Women Development Organization were present. During the meeting, the locals demanded that the prime accused in the murder case, Mohammad Wahid, must be given befitting punishment. General Secretary of KBYC Firoj Khan stated that if there is any solid proof against him, then the whole locality will also join the effort in seeking justice in Sumita killing. He added, the locals have also decided to ostracize him from the locality.
Club asigi organization pun makna mahakpu kaigumba marang chapsaba leramagati aina maki mathakta lauba action da haiba organization singsina support tawni.
Several Manipur-based civil society organizations have urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a memorandum to urgently ratify the United Nations Convention Against Torture and Other Cruel, Inhuman and Degrading Treatment or Punishment, CAT. The civil society coalitions for human rights in Manipur and the UN urged the government of India to repeal Armed Forces Special Powers Act, APSPA, and the ratify CAT so that the center fulfill its obligation and stop the despicable practice of torture in India. Well, let's head into a short break, but coming up, the Manipur Finance Department has exempted the ban imposed on expenditure sanction and passing of bills for salaries of the state government employees. More after the break.
Chakhumgi kolik singbu mafam chana taru tanana thamnabagidamak laizare nungzengi stainless steel na chanjaba modular kitchen loina na kitchen trolleys amadi makhal kayagi kitchen rack singsu nungzengi outlet store kaisampat laisom lerak machin mayai lambidagi fangbiragani hena kupamarol gidamak aikogi phone number 9077124214 da contact tawirau.
Hello.
Hello. Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Oh, phau pambi thabiyo.
Okay. Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi cha amagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawagi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum chang na coaching tohonba.
Mama paga cha manana warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su puthokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school.
Last pakhong Kari school no?
Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra?
Chumme, yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Welcome back after the break. Manipur Finance Department has exempted the ban imposed on expenditures, sanction and passing of bills for salaries of the state government employees, including contractual employees, work charge, muster roll, home guards, casual employees, grant in aid employees and BDF, pension and pension benefits and interest payments on loans taken by state government with immediate effect, according to an office memorandum issued by the State Secretariat. The Welfare Association for the Blind Tagil organized 139th birth anniversary of Helen Keller at the premises of Home for the Blind Tagil. Giving the chief guest speech, Principal of Government Idle Blind School Y. Premlata Devi said that we must all possess the strength of Helen Adams Keller, who was a renowned scholar despite being deaf, mute and blind. The Kiamgai field, which was safe after intense protest by the Irawat Foundation and the residents from being used as an NIT complex in 2017, has been occupied by influential people, reducing the arable land area. Irawat Foundation and Singzamay to Lilong United Clubs Organization SLUCO, along with the residents, jointly conducted a land survey today. President of SLUCO urged the government to ensure whether the regulations under agricultural land protection are followed in the area. Harm Reduction Network Manipur HRNM and Imphal East Police jointly conducted Global Day of Action 2019 on the theme Don't Punish at the office of Imphal East Superintendent of Police today. Speaking at the event, HRNM State President Hizam Dinesh expressed deep concern that the menace of drugs is still on the rise in Manipur. He said that the program was organized to educate the masses about the rules and regulations of Narcotics, Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985.
Drugs abam cycle ko phara me araga madrugs abni kanbiu habinate kona hajaristi magi crime dugi mari leina potu di aini matung na dum sarak function ho atuga drug ki control policy ama laiba ki national gi natrag state ki ta sem matamda adu human approach oiba mom the same view yam punitive oiba yam sativa harassment phambe aba pa punba gi yam na kan oiba policy do adu champion birakan human approach ki policy ama same view na campaign satha bana koina aside horisi.
Manipur Heart Foundation MSF, in association with Sky Hospital and Research Center Private Limited and Sanjanbam Khunau Development Club Imphal East, conducted a one-day free heart camp at Sanjanbam Khunau Imphal East. Free heart OPD, free ECG and free diabetes detection tests were provided at the camp. Dr. L. Syamkishore, President Manipur Heart Foundation, said that the Foundation would continue to provide free heart camp at different places of Manipur and appeal to the people to take the opportunity of such free services at their doorsteps. Imphal West Commando seized goods sold on the footpaths and other tracks of Thangal Market in Imphal City today. The drive was led by Officer in charge of Imphal West Commando, P. Achoba. He urged the public to stop such practice to avoid frequent inconveniences caused to pedestrians and market goers. All Manipur selected 2,000 candidates of Manipur Police Constable 2013 batch today staged a sit-in protest at the Community Hall of Kaisampat, Lemazamlekai, Imphal, demanding issuance of appointment letters. It is worth recalling that the recruitment result was out in the year 2013. However, the related department has failed to issue the appointment letters since then. Talking to media persons in this regard, President of All Manipur selected 2,000 candidates of Manipur Police Constables 2013 batch. Ahong Sangbam Binoy said that today's protest was staged after the state government fails to meet the deadline to fulfill the demand.
Laibak Panbiriba Sarkar Su Paibiriba Chief Minister na amadi aikoi thabak asiga mari leinaba department singna athuba matamda aikoi candidate singi amasung guardian singi awabasi ubiduna atuba matamda appointment letter pibiu haijabudune aikoina paliba dabiji tawba yaba aikoi hunger strike la aduna takana adum aikoi famaga sit and protest tawsira haibabo aikoi chapchaba decision anibokti lepsare hajikta.
Maibam Chingning Awang Lekai Bisnupur in association with Royal Academy of Law, RAL, Oinam and Development and Protection United Voluntary Organization DPU VO Nambol observed International Day Against Drug and Illicit Trafficking yesterday. President of DPU VO Taurem Khabakhaman, Principal of RAL Oinam Irengbam Jugeshwar, member of Maibam Chingning Mairapai B Chongtham Angobi and a senior resident Taurem Gauramohan attended the function.
Lairiba aikoi miam koi kuding makna na saruk yaminarba matamda aikoi punna khangminaba taragadi drug lan season narubana maram moidana maman yamnaba punsi se aremba koi mangi masa su mangba paisa su mangba sama su mangba imung manung su pulak mangminaba se masi matau karamna koi thingadagi haiba adugi hiramduda aikoina hariba asumba International Day of Drug Abuse illicit trafficking
A team of Imphalis Commando yesterday arrested one active cadre of the band RPF PLA identified as Lyron Lakpam Joychandra alias Bobex alias Okendro, aged 39 years, of Sawombung Tejpur. The commando team nabbed him during counter-insurgency operation at southern side of Khurai Chairan Thong around 6:10 p.m. a police report said today. He was later handed over to Porampat police station for further necessary action. District Sports Association Chandel has notified to all clubs registered and affiliated to DSA Chandel that the inter-club transfer of the association has been permitted by All Manipur Football Association AMFA. It also informed that every club under DSA Chandel must complete the process of inter-club transfer starting from 1st till 10th of next month. CRS of players to be done within 5th of July and renewal of club affiliation for the year 2019-2020 before 15th of July. The government during the current session in Parliament tabled figures which showed the unemployment rate countrywide, where Nagaland topped the list with highest rate of unemployment, which is at 21.4%, whereas Meghalaya is listed as the state with the lowest rate standing at 1.5%. According to periodic labor force survey for 2017-2018. Other than Nagaland, other northeastern states with high unemployment rate are Manipur and Mizoram. Let's take another short break. Stay tuned. Times of Manipur for more updates.
Smart Universal Academy da class 9 tamlibi mahiroi Elangbam Reshma Devina Indian Space Research Organization as sponsored taukiba Sri Harikota amasung Nesak Shillong da pangthokiba Young Scientist Program da mahakna group leader oiba group aduna identification of water by satellite imaging haiba project asina second position tarakpada school management teaching and non-teaching staff Smart Universal Academy na nungaiba amasung apenba phongdokchat
Gitam University Visakhapatnam da BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani campus manung da masagi hospital leizaraba Medical College ni room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year first to fourth year same fees MSc Nursing in NPCC, fees Rs 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation Rs 45,000 per year. Eligibility BSc Class 12 pass, Physics, Chemistry, Biology and English 60% in aggregate. Manipur ki mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 600-90-62261 natraga 87-940-26277.
Vigyo Institute of Management and Information Technology affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. BBA amadi BCA gi oina chahi ahumgi dual certification courses 2019-20 gi damak admission hauzare. Coursing asi tambada DCA, Triple CA amadi Tele ki short term course ama lemna tambagi khudong chabasu pisari. BBA amadi BCA gi oina lakliba July thadagi class hauzaragani. Adai khudong chabasingdi state of art infrastructure, well furnished and equipped classrooms, qualified and well experienced faculties, visiting faculty from industry and academia, placement cell, computer lab with internet facilities, library, canteen, conference hall and playground. Akaknaba seat masingni amadi hostel gi facility su pizari. Prospectors amadi form gidamak lengsin birau Vimit Sangai Prau FCI Road opposite MSPDCL office Imphal West. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau 700-561-3687 natraga 700-5845-205. Ekogi website www.vimitimphal.com. Email vimitimphal@gmail.com.
Welcome back. Haryana Congress leader Vikas Chaudhary was shot dead by two unidentified men in Faridabad near Delhi this morning. As per sources, the 38-year-old had just got into his car at the parking lot of his local gym in Sector 9 when he was shot. The attackers had pumped 10 bullets through the windscreen of his car. Ahead of the G20 summit in Japan, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Japanese counterpart Shinzo Abe held talks today, during which they discussed a wide range of issues of mutual interest. This was the first meeting between the two leaders since the start of Japan's Reiwa era. A television reporter, his wife and mother were found lying dead inside their house in Silayur, Tambaram, Tamil Nadu today. In suspected gas leak from refrigerator, police said. The victim, Prasanna, 35, was working with J News and had worked with other Tamil television channels as well. The Iran-backed Lebanese Shia group Hezbollah believes a US war on Iran is unlikely for reasons including Iran's strong defensive capabilities. Hezbollah's deputy leader said in an interview published today. Sheikh Naim Qasim told a newspaper US President Donald Trump does not need war. Let's now have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Bhupender Yadav tasked to resolve government's international crisis. CM feigning ignorance, claims KH Joy Kisan. 4 including major drug supplier held. ARC's diamond worth Rs 10 crores. The People's Chronicle. Drug seizure continue as state joins anti-drug observance. State improving in health index, Nambol Talon PS in top 50 MHA rankings. Alliance meeting deferred, Speaker flies to Delhi. Police raid Tombikanta's quarter. The Morning Bell. CM replies sought on ongoing MIDA project without e-tender work order. CM's reconciliation meeting of ruling MLAs in a non-starter. Narcotics units of state police carry out rally against drugs. NE Folk Music and Instrument Fest held. 4 arrested along with rich drug haul of Rs 5.54 lakh. Imphal Free Press. Crisis in BJP deepens. CM defers reapproachment meet as MLAs avoided. Court gives bail to N. Sankar before bail hearing. Maui's bans private banks, microfinance activities. CM must clarify on misuse funds of MIDA, says Joy Kisan. MPS officer on probation bust cartel, arms, cash and drugs seized.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Manipur Chief Minister urges for conservation of rainwater, groundwater. Committee to be set up to check illegal sale and purchase of land in Manipur. And JAC claims KSH Sumita's body after assurance from Chief Minister to deliver justice. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.